How do you implement positive discipline strategies on your...
We had a focus group. We met, we broke into smaller groups, and we began by using the common areas in the building, by looking at all the common areas that the students are in, the cafeteria, the hallways, the gym, the recess, the playground, the bathrooms. And the committees broke into groups and made recommendations for what they thought would be appropriate behavior. We didn't look at inappropriate behavior, we looked at what we wanted. What would be appropriate behavior for those locations for our children, because you have to overtly or actually teach them. And we have all the different positive ways that we want the children to behave. We have them listed, we have them posted, very beginning of the school year. The first 2 weeks to a month are really, really a big, heavy push on what we do, how we do the right things.
How do you let the parents know about these procedures?
They actually go home in their take-home folders that first week of school. We have, what we developed was the school-wide discipline policy, and their things are put down in here for teachers. This is available for staff, but in here, like for example, we have playground rules written down. That goes home with every child, and it's in English and Spanish because we have a pretty high population in Spanish. There's our Spanish version. We also have the rules for assemblies. We have rules for the cafeteria. The same thing. So we have in our thing, we have our procedures. We have what the responsibilities are for the teachers and for the children and for the parents. It's all written down, and a copy of it does go home with parents.
Excellent.
And that way we can refer to it if a parent comes up and isn't sure why a child was reprimanded for something. Here's, so we have it in writing, and we have that confirmation there.
The classroom level.
In the classroom, well, we use CHAMPS, and this is the new book, which is much cooler than the old book. But we used CHAMPS to create all those rules we've talked about. Okay. In the classroom, the teachers have their rules based on CHAMPS,